Happy days, here we go again. Welcome to another edition of Rupert'S Property Show. Today from a ground floor first line golf apartment here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. By coincidence, it's a perfect timing now. Just people here teeing off at the tee number 12 here on the Jack Nicklaus signature course. I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment being ground floor, means direct access here to the golf course. In the penthouse development, we are on block 11, so we are pretty close to the Alcazar, which is the commercial center on site, as well as we have pretty good connection to the clubhouse, which is just in walking distance when you go to the right. So going left, you go to the pub, going right, you go to the clubhouse. Walking distance, maybe 6-7 minutes to walk. We are located here, as I said, on the 12th tee of the Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, which, as we can see, is getting slowly there where it should be. And well, I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. I'm just standing here on the terrace, which is quite of a good shape to say. We have set up here a coffee table situation, so just to give you an idea of how could this look like. Lucky as we are above the golf course, we are above the buggy path, so you hardly will notice the golf course, but on the other side, the views are just breathtaking. I mean, we're southwest facing. It's 5 o'clock now. We have about 24 degrees at the moment. We're southwest facing, so we do get here sun as of midday, afternoon, evening, and get a fantastic sundown just somewhere over there. Having said that, enough waffle outside. Just let me show you the inside of this apartment. 2-bed, 1-bathroom. Equipped, as we see, fully fitted, fully furnished. Air conditioning in all rooms, means living room and the 2 bedrooms. And as you can see, it's quite a spacious living room situation here. Sliding door leading to the terrace, no doubt, equipped with television and all what we need. Integrated into the living room, then we see in continuation the kitchen, which is equipped as well with all mod cons of kitchen needs: fridge, freezer, cooker, oven, extractor fan, dishwasher. Well, kitchen, no to say, just the kitchen. And then we continue to the master bedroom. As we said, the property is sold as seen, means what you see is what you get today. This is now the master bedroom, both bedrooms with fitted wardrobes as well as air conditioning. There is a mirror around, but I got around the mirror without any problem. The views from the bedroom, well, I think for the keen golfer it can't get any better, no? So this is really a nice setup. The penthouses are one of my favorites because they really, being first-line golf, provide quite some value in addition to what it is, which means also that resale values are improving at the moment dramatically. We are actually in the 2nd bedroom now of this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and there is a mirror. I tried to hide around the mirror. There we go. We have another air conditioning here. If you want to see more details, pictures, virtual tour of this property, on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalendar.com, you do find this property under reference 3848. 3848 on qualityhomescostacalendar.com, and the asking price is 85,000 euros. Sensible offers obviously are welcome and will be transmitted and negotiated with the seller. In the bathroom we do find a bathtub with a glass shower screen as well as a curtain, so you have both, well, you have the best of both worlds. Yes, and all the other, yes, there is a mirror, and all the other mod cons for a bathroom. It's quite nicely done, basic, no problem at all. We have seen the master bed already. I'm really impressed by the views. This is just, imagine laying here down in the morning and you see out to the golf course. Wow, happy days. So, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living room, all fully fitted, fully furnished. Equipped with air conditioning. We have a television here, we have a dishwasher, we have a washing machine. Obviously taste is something very personal, so there might be some item where you say, well, I don't want to have it, but on the other side it's always a good start, because the property, as it's fully furnished, it's nearly ready to move in, and you can enjoy the summer season already, being coming yourself or maybe renting out as well to holidaymakers. Price-wise, as we said, we're talking about 85,000 euros, which is sold as seen with all appliances and all furnishing we can see here on our video, on my show, on Rupert'S Property Show today here from Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. We are going back to the terrace, and I spoke before already about the golf course and its development. I've been speaking today with the director of golf, which is Lola Lopez. She's a very knowledgeable woman, I have to say, with loads of experience for golf courses, and she reckons that the golf course will be back to its original pristine condition between 12 and 18 months. It's just the time it takes that all the seeds come back, that they start to blossom again, and they have enough strength to survive the golf players. So she reckons between 12 and 18 months we will see more or less a brand new golf course. I think that's fantastic news for the resort, and as well, especially it's fantastic news for the penthouse development here, because all these apartments are first-line golf. So this will obviously increase the value dramatically compared to what it is at the moment. Just as comparison, the new build apartments, also ground floors, similar size, around 60-65 square meters surface, are selling between 118 and 155. So talking about 85,000 euros here, with the expectation that also these prices will rise. Well, yes, I know it's a crystal ball thing, but actually at the moment, as I see it, this seems to be, to me, the most feasible future I can foresee. So obviously my crystal ball is still under repair, but it all looks to me that we will see here a massive increase also in value, which is also caused due to the fact that the new developers have taken over the golf course, and they are spending now money, and also not only money, they're really doing a lot for the golf course to bring it back to the public as well. They're doing lots of marketing and PR and all that, so it's really good for the resort. Okay, we are talking about here, QualityHomesCostaCaleda.com presents this property under reference 3848. Asking price is only 85,000 euros, and we get a property which is fully furnished, fitted, ready to move in. You might think about putting an awning here, because that's, in my opinion, the only thing that's missing is an awning which covers here the terrace. There are two nice, decent-sized sunshades here, well, kind of umbrellas, but I would say a fixed solution like the neighbor has, for example, this would be much better than maybe a freestanding sunshade. Apart from that, reference 3848 on our dedicated webpage, QualityHomesCostaCaleda.com. Asking price only 85,000 euros. And then nearly missed the mirror again. Okay, so, hi Barry, how are you? Hope you're okay. Apart from that, reference 3848 on QualityHomesCostaCaleda.com. I'm Rupert. I'm doing Rupert'S Property Show every week on Thursday at 5 o'clock. You can watch me live, or you can watch me as well on YouTube, for example. Just watch out for Quality Homes Costa Caleda on YouTube, and you will find all my videos, which I have done now over the last 3 years. In case you want to communicate with me or with my team directly, just send us an email to info@qualityhomescostacaleda.com, and me and one of my team members will be happy to attend you, to answer all your questions, to arrange viewings, to be here for you, to help you through your buying process. So, I thank you again very much for participating another time in my property show, and I'm looking forward to see you again next week, where we will do a different property again through QualityHomesCostaCaleda.com. Enjoy your weekend, have fun, stay safe, and God bless. Cheers, bye.